YouTube was good job. Welcome back to the club. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Tech Realism, where we talk real tech. Guys, today we're diving into something really exciting right here, okay? We got the brand new iPhone 16 Pro, okay? It dropped like about a week ago or two, and I can't wait to see what Apple's cooking up in here, alright? So let's get straight into it. But first, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, smash that like button, and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's go. Alright, here we have it. The iPhone 16 box right here. Standard Apple packaging. Clean, sleek, and minimalistic. Okay? You know, they're all about the presentation. Alright? So let's flip it over. Okay? As you guys can see, I don't know if y'all can see that. There you go. It says it includes an iPhone Pro and a USB Type-C charging cable, power adapter, and headphones sold separately. Okay? So that's basically what it says on the back. As you guys can see, I already opened it because I was way too excited. I already opened this thing. Alright? So yeah. Let's open it up. Boom. The very first thing that you see up in here is the phone itself. Okay? Now let's take it out. Okay, let's take it out. Sheesh. Damn. That natural titanium. You know what I'm saying? We got that natural titanium. Okay, it looks stunning. Wow, it looks stunning, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Damn. Would you look at that? It looks real nice. It looks real premium. Alright? Hey. Damn. Wow. This natural titanium color looks fire. And it's giving premium vibes right now, right off the bat. Is it a little bit heavier than the last model? Not really. But hey, they're packing it all in this tech right here. They're packing it all in this tech right here. Okay, so let's peel off the plastic. Hey, it's kind of dusty, but nothing is more fresh than a fresh phone straight off the box. Okay, nothing like it. Okay, nothing like it. So what's inside the box? Okay, let me put the phone down. Okay, let me put the phone down. What's inside the box? Okay, typical Apple stuff right here. Okay, what we got here is, of course, the SIM ejector tool, and we got the USB Type-C cable, and of course, Apple, Samsung, and all those people, the big G. No charger is in the box, but that's not even surprising anymore. Apple is really sticking to the plan, to the future plan. I don't know what they're trying to do, but yeah, anyways, braided USB Type-C SIM ejector. Okay, then over here, if I could just take it out, boom, usual paperwork. Who even reads that? Like, let's be honest, who even reads this? Nobody. Okay, let's get straight into the phone though. In terms of specs, what we're looking here is a 6.3 inch display. It's bigger than the last model, I believe, just a tiny bit bigger. Okay, this phone has, like what Apple likes to call it, a Super Retina HDR display. Okay, that's basically what they call it. Alright, and then this phone, like all the iPhone 16s and all the other versions, these are packed with the A18 Pro chip and a triple camera setup. Well, this one has a triple camera setup, and the Pro Max is bigger, but you're looking at triple with the camera. You feel me? With a 48 megapixel wide lens, and oh shoot, don't forget the titanium frame. All right, the titanium feel. All right, enough talking. Let's crack this. Let's turn this on. Okay, because I did enough rambling and jambling and stuff like that. Okay, let's just you know, open it up. So let's power it up. Let's fire this baby up. All right, and let's see what's this with this new iOS 18 type thing. All right, So I'm also excited to check out these cameras, these features, and these new widgets. Okay, it's powering on. Boom! Look at that. You're hit with the hello. Okay. Select your languages, English, yada yada yada. Let me do that real quick. All right, here we are. Boom. Okay. So we're just gonna set up the iPhone like usual. So I'm gonna set it up for myself. Face ID, we can set that up later. Then we just gotta create a pin real quick. And then double do that again. And then boom, should be presented with the iPhone. Okay. So, I mean, I could transfer data from my other phone. I'm not gonna do anything for now. Sign in options. I guys can sign in with my account. I'll be right back. Alright, there you go. Now we're signing in as tech realism type stuff. So it's gonna say everything, my messages, phone, music, Spotify, whatever. Alright. I'm trying to make it like it's my own phone that I'm using. You feel me? So it's gonna do its thing. Let it do its thing. iPhone. Right? Okay, so my screen's a bit dirty, but hey. So there you go. This is the iPhone 16 Pro right here. Okay, so right now we're running. Let's just go. Okay, about. Let me go software. Come on. Okay, anyway, so we're running, if we were to go software update, we should be running iOS 18.1 straight out the box. Okay? So yeah, that's basically what it is. What you guys want to know is the camera. Okay, let's open up the camera. Set it up later. This is the camera right here. This is the camera right here. Okay. 0.5, 1, 2, right? You can just play around with it. And the new feature on the iPhone 16s are obviously the camera control. So you can use the camera control to zoom in and zoom out and really use it like it's a camera. You see that? Look, I can take pictures. Okay, and we can zoom in, take pictures, which is a very pretty much a cool feature, right? My computer kind of dusty, but it's a pretty cool feature. Let's not lie. Okay, let's not lie, right? It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be very useful when you want to take pictures and stuff. Want to be all professional and stuff. It's gonna be very, very much useful. Okay, so yeah, like I said. Again, this camera, okay, is packed with a 48 megapixel wide lens. Okay, so the camera on these phones are high quality. Let's not lie. Okay, but yeah, that's what Apple really wants to emphasize with the triple camera action going on up in here, and of course the camera control button. Okay, which is very, very cool. Okay, let's not lie, it's very cool. So, yeah, guys, that's pretty much the iPhone 16 Pro. Again, straight out the bat, display, absolutely stunning. Vibrant colors. Okay, this vibrant colors. Everything looks, nice. We already peeped the camera app. The triple camera setup looking sleek as well, as you guys can see. Whoop, on the back right here. Looking real sleek. The ultra wide camera control is also nice. Let me just put in my password real quick. Boom. It's also nice, right? Face ID later, right? Like, it's good. It's good. It's really, really good. Alright. Like, you could really look at that. Look how deep you could go. You see that? Look how deep you could go. Like, you could really examine. Like, you could really examine stuff. I was about to pull something out of here, but I remember it as fake. You could really look at this, guys. Look at this camera, how neat it is, right? Boom. Let's take that $20 bill. Look at that. And let's just go like all the way in. Hold on. It's kind of like crumbled, but hey. Alright. Let's like go all the way in. Put it like this. Boom. Alright. Let's go all the way in. Alright. Boom. See that? The camera control. You go. What? Look at that. Yeesh. Yo. You can see all the detail. Look at that. Look at that. You see that? You see that? It's crazy. It's crazy, guys. It's crazy. And then now they got 4K 120, okay, frames per second, which is like insane, right? This is like, look at that. Look at that. 4K 120 frames per second. Like, dude, that's an upgrade. Okay. You got HD 120 as well, which is also an upgrade. They really put in some effort. They really put some effort when it comes to this camera. Okay? They really put some effort when it comes to this camera, guys. Alright, YouTube. So yeah. That's the iPhone 16 Pro, guys. Alright? So that's basically the unboxing of the iPhone 16 Pro. Overall, I'm pretty much, impressed. Okay? Apple doesn't like not make you impressed. Okay, you get impressed sometimes, but hey, I'm pretty much impressed. I'm not like over the moon, but I'm like, hey, you get what you pay for. You get what you pay for. Okay, and the design, hey, that titanium feel, the natural titanium feel, it always feels premium. Okay, so yeah, this is not a full review. In a couple of days, I'm gonna go outside, test out the camera and stuff like that. Do like a more like in-depth review type thing. You know what I'm saying? So make sure to stay tuned for that, and also make sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. All right, and let me know in the comments down below. Are you team iPhone? Are you team Apple? Or are you team something else? Are you rocking something else? All right. So thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Alright, YouTube. Join the club, join the crew. And until next time, we out. Peace.